Hello YouTube world. Wanted to do a short video here and share with everyone something that I've done here recently in my shop that has become a big help to me, and I feel maybe it would help many others. So here recently, as I carve and engrave in my shop, I'm hunched over a lot, carving for many hours, and it's really been bothering my neck, my shoulders, and my back. And so to stop carving is really not an option for me, so I want to keep doing that. So what I did is I made an adjustable height workbench here. In my day job, I have noticed that adjustable height desk in the corporate world have gotten real popular, and I kind of thought, well, why can't I have something like that in my workshop to bring my carving work closer to my face to keep me more ergonomically comfortable. So I couldn't really find anything to buy outright that fit my needs. The ones made for desk, the stand-up desk and stuff, they're really expensive for good ones, and they're just not sturdy, not something you'd want to use for carving. So I kind of made one of my own, and let me show you what I did, and I'll tell you where I got the parts and everything. But let me show you first. So as you can see, I got this gun here, and currently the gun stock's probably about 6 inches, 7 inches from the top of my work surface. So this is my adjustable height workbench. This is the lowest it'll go, but at this height, I'm sitting in a chair now, and if I was to carve on this gun stock, I'd still be pretty crunched over. So let's raise it up and I'll show you what it can do. So I can bring this up or down to get it closer to my face. And another thing is, I've gotten older. I now carve using magnifying glasses. So the magnifiers, they also require me to be pretty close to my surface for them to work properly. So this keeps my back straighter by bringing it up higher, closer to my face, and but yet I was still crunched over neck-wise. So I also added to my adjustable workbench is some hardware that's made for drafting tables that also allows me to tilt it towards myself. So not only have I got it up higher, to keep my back straight, but now I can tilt it towards my face and help keep my neck straighter. So now when I'm carving this gun stock, I'll be in this position, which is much more comfortable, especially if I'm going hours at a time. Alright, let's break down of how I built this thing. The base, the undercarriage part there that makes it go up and down, that is a motorcycle jack. I bought that on Amazon. It's rated for like 1,100 pounds. It's very solid, heavy duty. So then I just built a frame to go over the top of the motorcycle jack with a nice snug fit. And then I attached the very top portion, the plywood portion, to it with hinges, and then added the drafting hardware. That's what gives it the angle, going back and forth. So that's pretty much it. And then the whole thing's motorized by a cordless screwdriver. The cordless screwdriver I also picked up on Amazon.com. It was only about $17.
It's perfect for this application. I just got it hooked up to the socket that fits onto the motorcycle jack. It just goes forward and reverse, slow speed, but it has pretty good torque. And it has an internal built battery. It's either rechargeable or you can plug it in and leave it, just directly plug it into the wall. It's really perfect for what I'm doing here.
Okay, so that's how I built my adjustable height workbench for carving and engraving. And I hope if anybody else is suffering from neck and back pains and while they're carving, or I guess whatever you're doing in your shop, maybe this can help you also. If you make one on your own and you want to share it with me, that'd be great. Drop me an email or post here on YouTube or on my Facebook page, whatever, Instagram. I will post this video on YouTube, but I will also put it on my website. And underneath there on the website, I'll put links to the motorcycle jack, the drafting hardware, and the cordless screwdriver that I bought on Amazon. So you can click right there on my website and it'll take you to Amazon, and if you want to buy it, you can. And by clicking on my website, because I'm an Amazon affiliate, I might get enough money to buy a half a cup of coffee. I don't know. So, again, if you try this on your own, I'd love to see it, and please share it with me. Thank you. Bye.